I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome to the hotel room, JJ's super cheap run cat cam thing. I wanted to share with you my good friend, Interactive DNA, and I'm going to put a link to his YouTube right here, and I think his YouTube is mostly my stuff as far as intros go, but drop him a line and just tell him how fucking unbelievably talented this guy is. He is my brother Nay. He's the one that did the my new intro, the robot intro. He did the whole thing from scratch. He's a computer animator, and he also did this very, very wicked cool ending. I'm just absolutely floored. I'm a computer guy myself, obviously, and in robotics and, you know, relatively high-tech world, but I am not a video guy, as you guys know. So I've got these really great, amazing professional intro and outro with complete crappy, cheesy JJRotoGeek video content, but bam, it's still cool. And I just absolutely, it makes me want to do videos just so you guys can see these fucking intros and outros. He emailed it to me today. I'm downloading it right now, as a matter of fact, and it's just blows my mind. I've watched it like 6 times, so I hope you guys like it. Check it out. Shoot him a message on his YouTube and just tell him he's creative as fuck. Love you, brother. Awesome. Keep shining side up, kids. Bam. Bye.
Bam, JJ!
Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ!
Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.